Hello and welcome to another City Update. I'm Deborah Cedillo-Dugan. We are here in the downtown area, right here in the heart of Phoenix. I'm here with Marcus Coleman. He is a light rail administrator. We are going to get an update on what's going on with light rail. It's nice seeing you.
It's nice to see you again as well.
I love the downtown area. Light rail's happening, riders are happening, ASU downtown. It's a bustling area.
We have a lot going on right now.
So let's talk about 2050, Transit 2050.
Okay.
Big picture. A lot of voters voted for it.
Big picture, I would say, the thing that people need to realize and keep close to their chest is that in 2015, tax went out to the voters. Voters came out and supported transit, and not only supported transit in a way of saying 7/10 of a cent, but supported transit to make sure that we're increasing services, increasing the way that we're providing transit to the community, and also increasing the way that we're listening and hearing and engaging with the community. And so that means that we've been able to look at our increase of our bus service, our increase to our rail service, and also bringing on new service that's going to be new to the valley, which is our bus rapid transit BRT service.
I love it, and you know, I'm a rapid. I love it. I love the comfort of the rapid and getting to and from work. So with this 2050, Transit 2050, there's some extensions going on too for Northeast, South Central. Talk a little bit about that.
So we actually have three extensions that are right now currently part of the project, part of the program. And one of the projects is the South Central Extension.
Okay.
South Central Extension is about 5.5 miles. It starts in downtown Phoenix, heads down the central alignment all the way to Baseline Road. That's where its terminus is.
Okay.
That extension will also include a downtown hub station.
Okay.
It has approximately 18 local artists, 14 of them, 18 artists total, 14 of them which are local, which are able, that was really a big key for us to make sure we have that local impact to the project, as well as we partnered with Kiewit, who is our contractor on the project, to make sure that we have some opportunities for local residents along the alignment as well.
Okay.
Then we have our Capital I-10 project, which is a 10-mile extension that's going to be done in 2 phases currently.
Okay.
And the first phase gets us from downtown to the Capitol.
Excellent.
Then from the Capitol, it will follow the I-10 alignment all the way out to 79th Avenue.
Wow, way out west. It's almost to California.
Yeah.
That's great.
Northwest Extension Phase 2 is a project that will start from 19th Avenue and Dunlap, extending over to Metro Center Mall. And we're really excited about this because this will be the first time that we're going to have an elevated bridge going over the I-17 freeway with the terminus being in Metro Center Mall. This is going to allow us to extend that 19th Avenue and Dunlap location all the way over to the mall, making sure that we have a seamless connection from Metro Center all the way to downtown Phoenix.
Well, after all, folks, you know, we are the 5th largest city in the country, and this is life in the big city. Yes, transportation is key. Okay, so the community knows this is all happening. Talk a little bit about community engagement and how people, if they have questions or need to get more involved in what's happening in their hood.
So actually, we've been really focused, and our council and our partners at Valley Metro have been really focused on the community engagement piece of all 3 of the projects. Really making sure that we get that message out to the community, that they're involved, they're able to give their feedback, and they're able to get project information as close to real time as possible. One of the things that Valley Metro has actually been able to do with the launch of the South Central project is this past Monday, we've launched Construct Valley Metro. It's an application that you can get on your iPhone, you can get on your Android. And that app will allow you to get up-to-date notifications. It will allow you to get project information that's up-to-date, and it will also let you customize some of the notifications that you have and get real-time information and also give feedback on the project.
Oh, wow, that's great.
Yes.
That's excellent. So everything's very interactive for folks.
Oh, yes.
And you can always go use the public library to get information, or a senior center, community center, all those places that have the computers. I love it. That's great. Marcus, it's great seeing you as always. Great update about light rail. I'm so excited because I am a transit user, for sure.
You should be.
Absolutely, I am.
Everyone out there should be as well.
That's right. For City Update, I'm Deborah Cedillo-Dugan.